Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan chocolate mousse. Begin by gathering ripe avocado, cocoa powder, maple syrup, plant milk, and vanilla. Use a high-speed blender for smooth texture and taste as you go. Chill the mousse for set consistency and use toppings like berries or toasted nuts. I will walk you through measurements, texture checks, and easy troubleshooting to ensure a luscious, dairy-free dessert everyone will enjoy. Measure your ingredients precisely and have everything ready before you start. Choose ripe avocados for natural creaminess and use unsweetened cocoa for deep chocolate flavor. If desired, add a splash of espresso to intensify the chocolate or a spoon of coconut cream for extra silkiness. Warm a bit of chocolate if you plan to fold it in, and always taste and adjust sweetness gradually until it suits your palate for the perfect balance. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes in the kitchen without worrying about splashes, and it feels great to hold during relaxed baking sessions. I linked it and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Start by adding avocado, cocoa, maple syrup, plant milk, and vanilla to your blender and pulse until ultra smooth. Scrape down the sides and blend again to ensure no lumps remain. Spoon into serving dishes and chill for at least 1 hour so flavors develop and texture firms. Before serving, adjust sweetness if needed and add a crunchy or fruity topping to complement the creamy chocolate for a delightful finish everyone will love.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.